Alright, so this 2013 Mitsubishi Outlander, the coolant fan keeps turning on, staying on. I've already replaced the temperature sensor back here. So, see that? Just turned off. So why would it turn off from just opening the lid? Well, this guy right here is a switch, and I've already taken it out and looked at it, and there's this little piece that's supposed to make a connection. And watch, just watch this. And it just turned back on. So what's happening is just enough, not enough. I'm not an electrician or anything, amps, volts. I don't know how to describe it, but not enough juice is getting to the part to actually swing it and make that connection. So the switch is bad. That's all. See, turned off again. Let's turn it back on. Now we can turn it off. Come on. Come on. You want to turn off? There you go. And now it's turned off.